Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Facemoji. First, open the Facemoji app or long press the globe on the keyboard to jump to settings. This puts you directly where typing options live. You need Facemoji selected as an active input method, so confirm that in system language and input. Once done, enter keyboard settings and look for typing, autocorrection, or smart typing sections. These are where autocorrect controls are kept. Doing this avoids wasted navigation and gets you to the toggle fast. Now you'll make the change. In typing or text correction, locate autocorrection or smart typing and toggle it off. This stops Facemoji from replacing words automatically. If you want fewer surprises, also disable auto-capitalization and predictive text here. Those features suggest or alter words for you. After toggling, close any apps using the keyboard and reopen them, or restart the keyboard from system input settings, so the change takes effect without lingering behavior. Finish by testing. Open your messaging app and type common corrections to confirm autocorrect no longer changes your words. If corrections persist, make sure the device's system keyboard settings aren't enforcing autocorrect for all keyboards, since that can override app toggles. If problems continue, clear Facemoji's cache or reinstall the app to reset preferences. This resolves corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If another keyboard app is active, switch it off to ensure Facemoji's settings are the ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.